Hi, YouTube fam. My name is Roxy, and on this channel, we talk about everything money.
So hey there. Today we're actually be talking about jobs, and it's going to be work from home positions that we're going to discuss on today. I have 3 for you today, and all the links will be in the description below as well. Okay. The first one I want to talk about is the Change Healthcare. Um, uh, Hiring for accounts receivable specialists, of course, remotely. They do have certain locations that they are hiring for. So if you click that link, you will see the locations that they are indeed hiring for. Okay, it's so many of them, so I didn't want to click on it, but you should be able to find your state. Okay. And then the synopsis of the company. Change Healthcare is a leading healthcare technology company with a mission to inspire a better healthcare system. And then you can read on, so forth and so on. The position as an accounts receivable specialist, you will process Change Healthcare's accounts receivables and or payables and complete related responsibilities in a timely manner. And then it has the core responsibilities that you'll be doing. It also has the requirements listed here, which you have to have at least a high school diploma and 1 year of related work experience or knowledge of the accounts receivables process, strong written and verbal communication skills, and for remote roles, a dedicated workspace and strong internet connection. Okay. They do prefer that you have a bachelor's degree, 1 year healthcare or insurance billing, or 2 years customer service experience, but that's not required. All right. And then you will see the rest of the details and description here below. So if you are interested in, and also I did want to just point out about the COVID vaccination requirements here. So they do require you to have or to be vaccinated. Okay. And that's pretty much it on that part here. If you are interested in this position, you will just simply click the apply now to go ahead and submit your resume for that. Okay. All right, and next up we have the ADT position here. It's called the Remote Customer Service Monitoring Representative. And here, they have the list of states that they are hiring for. But my rule of thumb is, if you don't see your state, just apply anyway, because you just never know. Okay. All right, and if you all have not had the service with ADT or don't currently have a service with ADT, I'm sure you have heard of ADT because they are a well-known company. They've been around since 1874, which is amazing. And this is pretty much a stable company. I don't see them going anywhere. All right. Let's see here. What they're looking for, it says with results they are proud of, like high school diploma or equivalent required, minimum of 6 months of customer service experience required. I promise I could talk, guys. Ability to be licensed in multiple states, technical aptitude, problem solving skills, and ability to prioritize multiple items at once. All right, so it does, but you can read the rest of the description up here. Just want to go over and highlight what they're looking for. Okay, if you are interested in this position, you can go ahead and click the apply now button to go ahead and submit your resume there. All right, next up we do have Omni's general applications. This is with Omni Interactive, and this is a 1099. The other two jobs that we discussed, they're actually W-2 positions, but this one is a 1099 position, but it's with Omni Interactive, and it's for customer service remote job as well from home. And I got the link that's gonna get you right to this page here, but it says Omni's general applications to become a contractor, and you'll just go ahead and apply there to be able to see if you are qualified to I guess be a partner with Omni. You will have to take a test. I actually myself was employed with this job as well. I had to take a test. Also has to be a noise-free environment, personal computer running Windows 11, and all of that good stuff. You have to be hardwired Ethernet as well. So you have to use your own equipment on this one, okay? If you are interested in applying for this, because this one is flexible as well, so you could pretty much depends on what they have to offer. They have flexibility in their positions, which is a great thing about this company here. But you'll simply apply now, okay? All right, and good luck to everybody that applies, and have a great day, and we'll see you soon.